Johnny Carson, and he said he was amazed at how jazz dancing had somehow or other been obliterated from the American scene. And here is America. He said it's the only time that he knew of in history where a country actually stamped out its own art form, because jazz is American. I mean, originally, let's face it. And here in America, for some reason or other, it was stamped out. For some reason, it's coming back now, but for 20, 25 years, it's been stamped out. Time getting blacks interested in doing jazz dancing. They were doing African, they were doing ballet, and they were doing modern. And when I told them I want to do basic jazz, they looked at me and said, "Basic jazz? What is that?" And I looked at them and I said, "Don't you know what basic jazz is?" "I'm very sorry." I mean, what? After me came the aerial steps. Now, I invented quite a few of the aerial steps.
Can you tell me about that?
Well, most of them came by accident. So, like, you'd see somebody do something, and they'd throw a person in the air, and all of a sudden it'd be a sort of mishap, and you'd have to straighten the thing out. And you say, "Hey, we can take that and use it." It's like you've seen dances where the fellow takes a girl, goes and picks her up, raises her back here like that, and drops her down his back and brings her through his legs. Well, that happened by accident. So Ann and Russell were rehearsing one day, and Russell took Ann and threw her up, and he lost control. And she went back, and she was going down on her head, and I ran over and slapped her legs, and she landed on her feet. And I said, "Hey, we can make a step out of that. When you go over like that, slide down his back, grab him around his waist, come down, and he'll pull you through his legs." See, a lot of these steps happen like that. I mean, have an accident and turn it into a step. That's all.